This is how I replaced a cracked step. It was about 100 years old. It's non-standard size, being only 10 inches deep. So for 21 bucks I got a standard size step and got ready for the rip cut after reviewing all the safety precautions one is supposed to take. That included hold down clamps, a higher fence, the proper toothed blade, and a push-through stick at the back. With a 10-inch 24-tooth blade, I cut a crook into the table. That'll help stabilize things later. I adjusted the height of the anti-kick bar back up higher here after doing the dry run. And then of course we had to pry out the old step, which didn't have security underneath here in the back, so we just got to pry this out and take the nails out from behind here to complete that. Okay, a piece of cake. As you can see, nothing under here to hold it in. We're going to pry this piece off next, as it has nails coming in through the riser. I'm trying to be careful not to damage anything else that I'll have to then fix later. And there it is, coming out nice and slow. See some spikes in the back. There we are, quite a few of them, right? Well, the step went straight in and drilled out holes in the back for the nails to go. I added a shim below the step there that had been missing and put the nails in through the riser. There's the wedge that I had to put in that was missing from before, and the nails that went in and bent a little bit, but they're 2.5 inch long galvanized nails. They're into the back of the riser to hold the step in place at the back. It's held on the front and the edges similar. So that's it. Now I got to clean up, and that'll take longer than it took me to put this step in. Well, the step went straight in and drilled out holes in the back for the nails to go.